Launch us when I give you the word.
On your word, brother.
I can't wait for you guys to see outside.
I hear outside is beautiful.
From who?
The lady.
It's beautiful outside. Jamie, go out.
I'm trepidatious.
Triple what?
It means scared.
Dude, nice word.
Did he say word?
Friends in the great outdoors. When we last left our friends, they were sailing out the window for a day of adventure, excitement, thrills, escapades, possible perils.
Perils?
Possibly. Let's find out.
What? Look.
My duck is stuck.
I know just the truck. I mean, trick. Bounce! 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 Bounce!
Whoa.
Toy boat!
Toy boat.
Toy boat!
Who says you can't say toy boat 3 times fast?
Everybody blow.
Wish Swimmington was here. He's got a lot of hot air.
Wow, a great white.
Dangerous?
Let's find out. And that's why you should always swim with a buddy. What do you think of outside so far?
I'm reserving judgment.
Look, I'm a sandwich.
Buried treasure! I'm rich! Yeah!
Look, I'm Sandy Claus. Ho, ho, ho.
Friend or foe?
Oh, definitely friends.
I am King Neptune, ruler of Scandinavia. All 4 corners.
What style is your castle? Edwardian. Edwardian? And built by little Eddie Glickman from down the street.
Can you make me a duchess or a countess, Your Highness?
No, but I can make you a starfish.
Need any knights, your royal fishness? No, but I could use a queen. How big is your kingdom? 6.2 billion. Citizens? No, grains of sand.
Quick, into my impenetrable fortress! The giant coming!
Quick, into my impenetrable fortress! The meteor coming! Quick, into my impenetrable fortress! The flying saucer coming!
I don't think impenetrable means what you think.
Now that your castle's fallen, Your Highness, what should we do?
Beach volleyball!
All right!
Get it! Yes!
Time out! Yeah. Clear the net, please. Thank you. Behold, a new home!
What should we do?
Touch football!
Oh, it's kinda pimply.
Everyone, touch the football!
Is there anything more to this game?
Now let's play touch tennis ball. It's fuzzy. Touch it. Behold, a new home.
What should we do?
Jousting match. Ride surfing. Make haste, Lady Brooke.
Are those your quickest steeds, Your Kingness?
No, those are. But they're resting from the fox hunt. Behold, a new home. Now I can be a king and a pharaoh. And it has rodents. Huzzah!
I'm digging that moat.
No need. It's deep enough.
Sweet ride. Let's do it.
Enjoy the sights.
Thanks, Your Highness.
Look, a red milk snake.
Is she having a baby?
I think she's having a frog.
Welcome to the tour. To our left is tall grass. Never mind.
I love this awesome orange fun guy.
Oh, I love you too, dude. There it is. The statues of Nome. They come alive when you're not looking.
I'm not looking. Are they alive?
Definitely. Cool.
There it is. The bird bath.
Why do they bathe?
Why would anyone bathe?
Their parents make them.
Exactly. There it is. The rainbow making machine. It's how they make rainbows.
Even the ones in the sky?
Cha, it's just a bigger machine. They don't have that under the bed.
I want to go home.
Let's do it.
Let's sing a song to take Gil's mind off the thunder.
Armor in the down.
Maybe we should all sing the same song?
Hang on!
Finn, do you know a joke to take Gil's mind off the thunder?
Ooh, did you hear the one about the frog who got hit by lightning?
No.
He croaked!
Hang on!
Do your Swimmington voice to take Gil's mind off the thunder.
Okay.
Slow down, brother. Don't tailgate. Watch out. I love backseat driving, don't you?
Hang on! Sorry, Mrs. Bunny! Hang on! Gnarly! Hang on!
The monorail's leaving!
Monorail?
The best way to get to your homeland is the monorail! The best way to get to your homeland is the monorail!
How do we get there?
The Queen and her attendants!
Awesome!
Thanks, Your Highness.
Good travel!
Oh, boy. Go, Bee. Giddy up.
We made it! Where's Brooke?
We had to make a pollination stop.
Princess!
Awesome!
Thanks, Your Highness.
Good travel!
Whoa!
Hang on,
We made it!
Gil. Is that a hairball?
How else was I supposed to hang on?
Can you drive a stick, milady?
Definitely.
We made it! Where's Gilbert?
Hi, guys. You thought I was a nut.
And you are, little dude. Hurry! The monorail's leaving!
Follow me! It's crowded in here.
Yeah, and someone needs to shave their legs.
Follow me!
I hope these clothespins hold.
Yeah, wouldn't want our underpants falling down.
Follow me!
I like the baseball PJs.
Those were thrown out, they had holes.
I still like them.
Oh, the outside was awesome, bro!
Looks like you've had a growing experience.
Yeah!
Playing outside all day exhausted me.
You're not alone.
Brought you a souvenir from the outside, bro!
Oh, beret!
Trey, awesome, dude!
The snack that smiles back, Goldfish.